Welcome to day 25 Mexican Hat Dance. Look at the first three measures and compare them to somewhere else in the music that has the same exact three measures. They're identical. Practice smartly, practice surgically so that you don't have to over practice. If you look at the details before you play, it'll be easier than you think it is. If you also look at, there's 4 places where there's 2 accents. Check those out first because there's one that usually gets people. I'm going to play the melody the first time and the harmony the second time. I'll give 1, 2, 3, 1, and then 2 counts of rest, and then you come in. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1. Harmony. 1, 2, 3, 1. Wow, that harmony's pretty low. I'm cranking these things out as quickly as I can. When you practice performance, you go and you don't stop. When you practice to practice, you practice the little details so things get smoother before you play, which I don't have time for right now. So if you had fun playing along, give it a thumbs up or accent the like button, as the boys say, and have a great day. Thanks.